Creating a vendor in Netsuite involves adding a new record to manage your supplier information efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Netsuite. Access your Netsuite account using your credentials. Navigate to the vendor list. Go to the main menu and click on Lists. Select Relationships and then Vendors. Add New Vendor. Click on the New button to create a new vendor record. Enter vendor details. Fill in the necessary fields such as the vendor's name, contact information, and address. Specify additional details like tax ID, terms, and default currency. Assign categories and custom fields. Categorize the vendor by assigning appropriate categories or tags. Utilize custom fields to capture specific information relevant to your business needs. Set up payment preferences. Configure payment preferences such as payment terms, payment methods, and default accounts. Specify if the vendor accepts electronic payments and provide bank account details if necessary. Save the record. Review the information entered to ensure accuracy. Click Save to create the vendor record. Additional settings. Customize vendor settings further by adding contacts, setting up purchase orders, or establishing pricing agreements if applicable. Manage and maintain vendor records. Periodically review and update vendor records to ensure they remain current and accurate. Use the vendor list to track transactions and monitor vendor performance.